Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Tuesday, June 29th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. One more hot day before we begin to get into significantly cooler air, and really it looks like a delightful second half of the week ahead, really beginning Thursday onward. We'll get into the cooler air tomorrow with some clouds and showers. I'll get into that in just a second. Also, Alex, I'll talk much more in detail about Alex here as this video unfolds. All right, this is the temperature map across the lower 48 this morning. And what I want to direct your attention to is the 40s for temperatures up here in the Great Lakes and the northern plain states. And that type of air mass is slowly dropping southeastward. Now, the radar pretty quiet this morning. We did have some pretty big storms scattered around the region again yesterday, and just like we've seen for most of the past couple of weeks, the storms that did develop did indeed produce some damaging wind gusts in some spots. This is the upper air chart today. Notice this big upper level low diving down, and here's how it looks by Friday morning. Nice trough along the eastern seaboard. All right, so here's how it looks on the modeling today. I do think there'll be a few showers and storms around. The frontal boundary temporarily stalled out, and it's to the east of that front and the south of that front that the greatest coverage of showers and storms will be. So we'll say south and east of I-85 probably. That's where the greatest coverage of showers and storms will be, but I can't rule them out anywhere. Tomorrow, that cooler air begins to filter in, so it looks like low to mid-80s for highs tomorrow. A lot of clouds and could be some passing showers at times, but then we really get into the drier air beginning Thursday. Most of us should be dry Thursday once you get away from the coastal plain. And then this Canadian high pressure really takes over. And the weather, Friday, terrific, 80s for highs, low humidity. Saturday, same deal. The 4th of July, getting a little muggier, but still highs in the 80s, and it will still be dry. And Monday, most of us should still be dry. Highs creeping up toward the upper 80s by that point in time. So just some wonderful, wonderful weather coming up to end the week. All right, let's shift gears to the tropics. There's Alex this morning. Alex, a strong tropical storm at the point I'm cutting this video. As of the 5 a.m. advisory, Alex has 70-mile-an-hour sustained winds. That is just shy of the hurricane threshold, which, of course, is 74 miles per hour. Let me go back to this real quick. You can't see it on this specific satellite shot, but on some of the microwave imagery, you can begin to see an eye feature forming. So Alex is going to be strengthening. There's really nothing to stop that today. And there's the spread and computer model guidance. Now, Alex has continually been on the right side of this guidance, as it is a lot of the guidance is indicating a westerly or a northwesterly turn, but so far Alex has been heading north-northwest. I really don't have any problems with the National Hurricane Center forecast here. I'm going to continue to say Alex making a landfall probably overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning, somewhere relatively close to the Texas and Mexico border, somewhere right in that general ballpark. And in terms of intensity, like I mentioned, Alex is going to strengthen, and I think we could see some pretty steady strengthening of Alex here over the next 36 hours before landfall. The water temperatures are warm. There's not much shear. The structure of Alex looks pretty good, pretty vertically stacked, and the flight level center that the hurricane hunters are finding matching up with where that eye feature is forming. So I think all systems are a go for some strengthening of Alex as we go through the next 36 hours. So Alex could be a pretty formidable hurricane by the time he makes landfall tomorrow night into Thursday morning. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Tuesday, and God bless.